So are you consider buying a VPS? So watch this video till the end. So we are going to see which are the currently best VPS in the market, and what are the reviews and ratings, and what deals we are getting on that particular VPS. So there is a great website called experty.com. I'll also give a link in the description so you can check it by yourself. So here they have classified and rated according to the performance, according to their storage, RAM, etc., and gave overall a score and what price point they offer for monthly plans. So first of all is the Hostinger. So it is quite popular and quite trusted. I also had WordPress website hosted in Hostinger, so it is great. But I feel Hostinger is quite expensive, so it provides less resource and um, charge a more premium. I know it's a premium service, although, but for WordPress it was very cheap, so I didn't bother that much. So Hostinger is highly rated, as you can see, 69,000 rating. It's quite great, and so you can visit the website, as you can see, and it has um, quite high pricing according to me. So we'll see another Hetzner's server. It has a quite good overall 8.9 review, and it is good. So it is good value for money, quick setup, etc. It has quite good features, and but it is not for beginners. So it may be a quite hard setup for you to deploy your server on this Ion server. So this has a very affordable VPS, unlimited traffic, and etc. It has overall 8.2 rating, and according to my requirement, I want 4 core and 8 GB RAM. So it is quite expensive, but it has a highly rated, I think one of the highest rated stars in terms of, like, out of 5 it has 4.9 stars rating. I don't know. OVH server website link is not given, but it is, I have checked it, it has does not have a good support, etc. So let's see what happens. And the next is the DigitalOcean. So the DigitalOcean is satisfactory. I want, it's just a casual project for now, so I want the cheapest and best value for money. So DigitalOcean is reasonably expensive, as you can see, 4 core and 8 GB RAM, 50 GB storage. So it is quite expensive, but not reasonably. So poor performance server. So instead, if that is the all drawback, so I'll prefer Contabo server, as it's a German company and affordable plans and traffic. So it really provides a high core and high RAM performance Contabo server. As you can see in the Contabo Cloud VPS 10, it is around $4.89 per month, which is not that expensive, and it provides 4 core, 8 GB RAM, 75 GB of NVMe SSD, 150 GB of SSD. It basically creates your image of your server. So snapshot will, you can recover that all configurations quite fast, literally, if you have snapshot. So 4 core of RAM, 8 GB and 75 GB, or the 150 GB one snapshot, one server. So I'm going to choose the 12-month plan for server, as I am going to choose India, as I does not want any of the latency. So it is $2.70. And what is the best? Europe server is free, but it comes with a latency. I does not want latency, although uh, and 150 GB SSD. I don't need 150 GB, 75 GB. Fast SSD is always better if you have a choice that you does not need more storage. So, and Windows is getting Windows server is quite expensive, as you can see, $9.30 per month. So I mean, no one takes Windows for a server, by the way. Ubuntu is best. Ubuntu 24.04, it's the best, and everyone uses Ubuntu or Linux on the server. And make sure that auto backup is on any of the VPS you buy. Auto backup is one thing you should never skip. So it's $0.93 per month, which is worth it. It gives daily automatic backup, one instant click recovery, keep last and backup versions, and no setup needed. So it's it's nice to have it always. And pri- private networking. So no, we does not want a private networking. and unlimited traffic. So it fair use policy. If you're using too much, I remind you, this is not a dedicated server, it's a VPS, which systems are shared also. So if the many users have more load, so your resource can be cut down to um, to some other people. So it is not a dedicated VPS, it is still better than normal type of hosting. And one IP address is free server management. So but you does not need it, as I will set up it all by myself with the terminal or whatever application I'm going to see, which I can pair it with this VPS. And monitoring, no, I does not want monitoring. Let's generate a password. So password has been generated and I'll just take a screenshot of it. If you are a business, you need to provide a business name, and make sure if you provide a business name, then you have to provide a VAT number. So I'll just quickly provide my personal details and we'll skip to the next step. So the payment is almost complete and we'll receive the VPS related detail in mail shortly.